Okay, as you know, you were charged here with a third-degree felony of operating a motor vehicle in a public place while intoxicated. And it's a third-degree felony because you have two prior DWI convictions. Yeah, these were blood alcohol, 0.226 and 0.231, which are about 3 times the legal limit. But it wasn't drugs, it was alcohol. You have some kind of a device on. Do you have an interlock device on your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
You have to blow in it before you
Yes,
can
sir.
start the car.
That's suspended. So I don't even touch my car.
You don't even operate a car?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, you can do less damage that way.
All
That's
right,
true.
because I'm suspended. Well, can't even get in there.
Well, you can't operate any motor vehicle without an interlock device. If that happened, your bond would be revoked and you'd sit it out in jail until we can dispose of this.
Correct.
Because that's too dangerous for others and yourself. You have a drug patch too?
Yes, sir.
You have a drug patch?
Yes, sir.
Okay, as well. That's because you tested positive for cocaine and meth last time, right?
Yes.
All right, guys, today we are stepping into a courtroom case that immediately raises serious red flags. A woman facing a third-degree felony DWI charge stands before the judge after allegedly driving with blood alcohol levels nearly 3 times the legal limit. But things get even more alarming when the court reveals she's already under strict monitoring, including an interlock device and a drug patch tied to previous positive tests. Right away, the judge makes it clear the situation is becoming dangerous not only for her, but for everyone around her.
I see it's there. I see it.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, how often do you get that changed? You got to change it so that they can test it to see.
Correct.
Or
It was today. It was, I thought,
today they're supposed to do something? They're going to take it off and test it today, and is that what they're going to do?
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
it's supposed to be yesterday.
But what happened yesterday?
I thought court date was yesterday, but it was 17th and somebody changed it to the 17th.
That was my, that was supposed to be in trial, and so Elliot changed the dates.
That wasn't me.
She was actually set, I believe, the day before.
Okay, what were you going to do to her? What did you want to do?
Well, with her, just have a reset it for an announcement. I think today was just a day to make sure she was compliant with the bond, but I need to complete discovery, so we'll just have her set on the morning.
Yeah, it is. It is an announcement there.
Could I have a little bit of time to look at the discovery?
Yeah, you went 4 weeks.
This was
Okay, but we're going to test her before she leaves. Even though she's got the patch, I want to know where she stands right now.
Okay.
Buckle up, guys, because this hearing quickly starts getting more uncomfortable and confusing. As the judge questions the defendant about her drug patch, court dates, and compliance conditions, her answers begin sounding scattered and inconsistent. The courtroom atmosphere slowly shifts from routine supervision to growing suspicion, while the judge and attorneys try to figure out whether she's actually following the rules of her bond. You can already feel the tension building as the court starts questioning her behavior in real time.
Okay, just have a seat right over there. And then 4 weeks, reset 4 weeks. Thank you. Hey, Brian.
Yes, sir.
Justin Barry. Benzo guys. But I mean, I don't know her, but I'm pretty good at what looks normal, and she doesn't look good right now. Not that you're not an unattractive lady, but you look like you're bewildered, and you look like you're intoxicated with something. We see it every day. We know what it looks like. You've tested positive for alcohol, which you shouldn't have, and which is what you're in trouble for, among other things, and benzodiazepines, which is a controlled substance. What is your plan?
you have a prescription. Appraisal on?
Yes.
You didn't drive up here, did you?
No, sir. Mama was right there.
Did she live with y'all, man?
No.
No. She's free falling. She's free falling.
Her bond's $20,000.
Family needs to help out on that because I can only put her in jail. I can't get. I can order help at some time, but where's her funds?
Oh,
All right, guys, this is where the courtroom tension suddenly explodes. The judge openly says the defendant doesn't appear normal and may actually be intoxicated while standing inside the courtroom. What makes this moment so intense is that the court deals with these situations every single day, meaning the judge instantly recognizes warning signs. As concerns about alcohol, drugs, and public safety pile up, the hearing transforms from a standard bond check into a potentially life-changing moment for the defendant.
right, Sarah, you give it back to me.
She indicated she does have a prescription for a razor blade. It explains the benzos, but of course that alcohol is explanation.
Yes, because there was 3 times the legal limit for alcohol on the offense. What is her bond again?
20,000.
Yeah. All right, your bond is revoked, and it is now doubled to $40,000. That's what happens when you violate the terms and conditions of your bond. You have a drug patch, correct? You have a drug. Yes. Okay. All right. We've got to now do something with the alcohol.
Well, he's here to pay.
And
I believe it's scram, was it, Your Honor?
what's the best thing for this situation where we got drugs and alcohol?
There you have.
The scram device? Okay. You must have a scram device as well. And that stands for, it's an acronym, but both of those devices are going to be a condition of your bond.
I'm sorry, you said screen device?
Yes, and continue, and she has to have a drug patch as well, which is costly, but something needs to be done to figure out how this is going to end up, because you're showing up to, you're not only in public, get in trouble operating a motor vehicle, 4,000-pound missile while intoxicated. Now you're showing up in court and you're inebriated, and it's just you got alcohol in your system and drugs in your system, which don't help clear thinking and resolving this. You need to do better, or else it is a catastrophic end. Anyways, those are the findings, and you're taking them to custody. Is Victor Davis here? The bailiffs, you're in custody. The bailiffs are in control, ma'am. You have to follow their orders. Thank you.
Comment your opinion, like the video, and subscribe.
Buckle up, everyone, because the judge finally delivers a devastating ruling after concluding the defendant violated the conditions of her bond. Her bond is immediately doubled to $40,000. Additional alcohol monitoring is ordered, and the judge warns that her behavior is heading toward a catastrophic outcome if nothing changes. The courtroom falls completely silent as deputies move in and take her into custody right there in court. If you enjoyed this real courtroom moment, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.